Indo-Kuki Political Dialogue interlocutor A.B. Madhu will arrive in Kampuri district of Manipur today. During the visit, Madhu, former Special Secretary of the Research and Analysis Week, RAW, will meet top leaders of Kuki civil society and visit the designated Ebenezer Peace Camp of the Kuki Nation Front Ghana. A 10-member of Indian Navy divers have joined the search operation in Mafong Dam, where 3 bodies have gone missing since the April 20th boat capsize incident during the powerful cyclone that hit Manipur. As of now, the bodies are yet to be found. A team of SDRF and Manipur Fire Service personnel have been carrying out a search operation. Smile Trend India and Caesar Foundation jointly organized a Smile Toast rally in Imphal today. The rally was started from Kamla Gate and culminated at Thau Ground. Program Manager of Smile Trend India, Ishani Biswa, and Managing Director of Caesar Hospital, Dr. Bralin, were among prominent persons who took part in the event. The rally was held to mark the 20 years of Smile Trend in India and also to spread awareness on claps to the public. International Labour Day is being celebrated across the globe to honor the contribution of working men and women. It is observed on the first day in the month of May and is celebrated as May Day. The theme this year is Uniting Workers for Social and Economic Advancement. The Meghalaya government has prepared an annual plan and budget proposal for seeking a fund of over Rs 800 crore from the Union Ministry of Human Resources Development under Samagra Shiksha Abhiyan for the year 2019 and 2020. External Affairs Minister Sushma Swaraj spoke with U.S. Secretary of State Mike Pompeo during the weekend and asked for a waiver for continued import of Indian crude oil after the May 2 deadline imposed by the U.S. administration. Both sides discussed issues relevant to bilateral ties, including the waiver for energy from Iran. Cyclonic storm Fani, which is lying about 600 km east of Visakhapatnam and 800 km south of Puri, is the first severe cyclonic storm to have formed in April in India's oceanic neighborhood since 1976, according to reports from the Indian Meteorological Department. Congress today has lashed out at the Election Commission for clean sheet given to Prime Minister Narendra Modi over his speeches and said that it is now crystal clear that the model code of conduct has become the Modi code of conduct.